everybody, this is me, Angelina, and I am so happy to record this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. It is something that I had only envisioned in my mind for the past couple weeks, and I am so happy that it came out free-flowingly, as amazingly as it did. My sister, who is about to show herself, had helped me with the beautiful photos that will be linked in the description on my Instagram. She did an incredible job being a photographer. Thank you. Like, we got some amazing shots in unconventional places that we didn't even imagine, and it was convenient for us.
And with the help of the Holy Spirit, of course.
Yeah, her a round of applause for her hard work. We were out in the cold for 30 minutes, and she truly made me feel comfortable during the photo shoot, and I was able to feel at ease. Thank you, Angelica.
Of course.
We appreciate your help.
Yeah. And anyone who doesn't have a Valentine, I can be your Valentine, and of course God is, so always be happy and be encouraged.
That leads to this video. It's an Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. As you can see, with the grungy eyeshadow and the dark lipstick, it is a creative spin on it. The quality of this video isn't to my liking due to technical difficulties, but the product of the photos that you see that I'm inserting here is exactly how I did it in the low quality video footage. So everything that you see has not been retouched. This is the look that you're going to get following the instructions within the video. Trust me, I've been single for a while, so I sympathize for anybody, and I felt like there needed to be representation for the singles group out there. And just know that there is room for love, and to be honest with you, for this upcoming Valentine's Day, I am for, although I am single, because I just feel the love. I just feel the need to give love. We need a lot more love right now. We just need a lot more compassion and warmth and understanding and less divisiveness. And so that's why I feel the power of Valentine's Day. So, but I just wanted to be fun and just represent those who aren't really feeling it. But just know that there's hope and that there's still love to share. I've spoken to a couple people. They said that they don't like Valentine's Day because they think that it's fake, and that Valentine's Day shouldn't be a day to show love. It's a day to show extra love to the people that you really care for. I hope you enjoy the tutorial and you get something out of it. And here we go. Let's get started.
Welcome to the other side. I've never been a huge fan of using a ton of makeup. This is my creative arsenal of beauty products that I'm using in this makeup tutorial. This channel is focused on reviewing and promoting ethical brands that is good for both your soul and body, which means that products will mostly be natural. Since starting this channel, I'm slowly transitioning out of the products I currently own into the ones that align with my channel's mission statement. Until then, I'm using main products that I currently have and will inform you on their performance until I replace them. Starting from the top, for me, I like to put on foundation to have a clear and blemish-free canvas to make it easier to envision the creative direction I'd like to take. I first applied my beloved Juice Beauty foundation with the metal tip application onto all the marks and trouble spots on my face. What I love about this foundation is that it is rich in antioxidants, plant-based, and includes SPF 30 to provide your skin extra protection from the sun. As you can see, I am blending the foundation with my fingers until evenly distributed. I repeated the process, reapplying the foundation on my trouble areas for extra coverage, acting as a concealer. The next area to focus on are the eyes. I'm using my sister's NYX limited edition Happy Birthday palette, which isn't currently found on the NYX website. Any Burgundy shimmer eyeshadow would suffice. I applied this color onto the base of my lid all the way across. Drag the shadow upward to create a harsher winged effect. For the inner corner highlight, I apply this light white pink shimmer into the inner corners of my eyes, adding a small point of brightness to the eyes. Before adding this color as a highlight to my brow bone, I reinforced my eyebrow shape by covering the stubble with foundation, blending with my finger. The same color that I used for the inner corner highlight, I used for my eyebrow highlight so that it can pick up the same tones on the eyes, bringing it together. I used a matte burgundy eyeshadow and applied to the outer corners of my eyes in a patting slight circular motion to increase intensity and add roundness on the edges to create smoldering dimension, blending that color into your crease and seamlessly blend into the darkness of the outer corners. For the eyelid, I use a metallic beige pink eyeshadow to create a line onto the crease that is thinner than the burgundy shimmer I applied at the very beginning in order for it to peek through. Mind you, starting this tutorial, I didn't pre-plan on what to do. I just went with what I envisioned, allowing the colors to choose me rather than the other way around. For the eyeliner, we're adding a small black wing created with LA Colors liquid black eyeliner. Begin forming the base by lining the lash line and then forming a small black wing on each eye. The wings are smaller than I normally would like them, so the detailed work for the eyeshadow will show through. If you're interested in a detailed winged eyeliner tutorial, I will post this on a later date on this channel. As the final touch for the eyes, I wanted to add a smoldering effect with the burgundy shimmer color. This is to even out the heaviness and color from the top and to symbolize smudged eyeliner after you cry. There's a rusty orange color on this palette that I actually like that could also heighten the look. Here I am, packing on the pigment, forming and blending the eyeshadow on my waterline into the outer edges of my eyeshadow, right beneath my winged eyeliner. I would recommend using a clean application tool, such as a small and damp flat brush, or damp Q-tip that's wet with water, for hygienic purposes. If you'd like to deepen the burgundy metallic shimmer, go over it on the outside edges with its burgundy matte counterpart. Now for the contour! This is one of my favorite parts, the contouring. This color is supposed to represent dead flowers, so in the same matte burgundy color I use for shading my eyes to add dimension, the best way I contour is creating hollows by sucking in my cheeks like so, and tracing the color from the tip of my sideburn to the midpoint of my cheek where the diagonal hollow can be found. To keep the intensity of the contour, I then blended the outer edges with my finger. Due to my skin tone being medium brown, this color works. However, feel free to use an alternative color that has a purple hue that is more flattering to your skin tone. Now that my contour and eyeshadow work on my eyes are complete, here are some pictures showcasing what it looks like. Last but not least, it's time for the final stage of this makeup tutorial. The lips, the most exciting part. This is a custom lip that I'm excited about because these are the only products I'm using to create these lips. The first thing is apply your lipstick base, preferably with a cream to matte lipstick. Part of creativity is utilizing the limited resources you have to create the result you desire, although it may be more difficult.
Or we just want to stay up all night until everything's done. Maybe that's something that should happen. We don't have work tomorrow, we can sleep in. We don't have to clock in.
As you can see, I'm outlining my lips with my liquid eyeliner quickly to make my lips more defined. If you're not using a cream pencil, this is a liquid eyeliner that dries fairly fast, so you have to work quick in order to blend some of the liner into the lips for a seamless transition into the shading we are going to do later. I'm rubbing my lips to blend. Let's begin the shading. Drag your black pigment into the inner folds of your mouth at all angles, so this will include the lower and upper corners that extend into the fold of your lip, which begins to have more volume. Remember to work quickly. Here, I am going back to re-outlining my lips, rubbing my lips occasionally, going back and forth with the black pigment until the look I'm envisioning looks just right. To top off this custom lip look, finally, I topped the center of my lips with a hot pink high shine lip gloss in the center of my lips to create a bitten lip, so to speak. I really like this product, such as the texture and flavor. However, there are some pros and cons I'd like to address in another video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. See you in the next video. Now it's time for the video entourage. Enjoy!